Updating drivers in Windows 10 is an important maintenance operation that ensures your computer's hardware components operate optimally and remain compatible with the most recent applications. Here's how to do this. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the context menu. In Device Manager, expand the category that corresponds to the device for which you want to update the driver. For example, if you want to update your Intel HD graphics, expand the Display Adapters category. Right-click on the device you want to update, and select Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for updated driver software to let Windows search for and install the latest driver automatically, requires an active internet connection. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the update process. In some cases, you may need to restart your computer to finish installing the driver update.
Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thank you.